Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Yap Math Educations here. I'm Jonathan Yap. So today we will discuss for the Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics paper 2, set 2. Okay, May, June 2020. Okay, now we start first. Okay, we look at the question 1. Okay, now we look at the question 1 first. Okay, question 1 first asks variable x and y are such that y equals to sine plus e power negative x. Using differentiation to find the approximated change in y as x increase from the 1 over 4 pi to 1 over 4 pi plus h, where h is small. Okay, so first we need to do is using the division, or we do the first derivative first. Okay, now we write dy dx sine will become as cos minus e minus x. Okay, we will get 1 marks, 2 marks for here. Okay, after that, okay, I write for this is approximated to the dy dx. So we want you to find the approximated change in y. So we write in this form. Okay, we write cos 1 over 4 pi here, and then minus e negative 1 over 4 pi here. Okay, here we write h. Okay, you can take your calculator to calculate the e. Okay, we get 0.251 h. Okay, I hope guys you can understand. So now we look at the question 2. Okay, question 2 is say do not use the calculator in this question. So you need to using the your step or calculation to calculate for this question. Okay, now we see the point bracket 1 minus sub phi p leaks on the curve y equals to 10 plus 2 sub phi over x squared. So find the exact value of the p, simplifying your answers. Okay, now he say exact value, that it means your answer please don't in the decimal place or cynical form. Okay, make sure in pi or sub form. Okay, I hope guys you can understand. Okay, now we can put the values first right now. Okay, y equals to 10 plus 2 sub 5 over x squared, right? So we can write e equals to 10 plus 2 sub 5. Here we put 1 minus sub 5 squared. Okay, now I expand first. Okay, now I just make it simplified form. 2 bracket, here is 5 plus 5, and then here is 2 bracket 3 minus 5. Okay, these are cancel. Okay, now we're doing for the rationalizing denominator. Okay, 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 here. Okay, we multiply, we got 15 plus 15, 15 again. Okay, so our answer is 5 plus 2 third 5. Okay, we already finished. Now we look at the question 3 right now. Okay, find the values of the k for which the line y equals to x minus 3 intersect the curve y equals to k squared x squared plus 5k x plus 1 at the two discrete points. Okay, it means you need to using the discriminate that k squared minus 4 is 0. Okay, so we take k squared plus 5kx plus 1 equals to x minus 3. Okay, here we got. Okay, we get the quadratic equations right now. So we using the discriminant of b squared minus 4ac more than 0. 5k minus 1 square minus 4a k squared. This here is 4 more than 0 here. Okay, now I factorize. Okay, here I put 1 over 9 and here is 1. Okay, now we look for these symbols. Okay, he say this should be more than 0, right? So he will happen at here. K less than 1 over 9, k more than 1. Okay. Okay, now we look at the question 4 right now. Okay, the three roots of the px equals to 0 where px equals to 2x power 3 plus 2x squared plus bx plus c, where x equals to 1 over 2, x equals to n, x minus a equals to minus 1, where a, b, c, and n are integers. So the y-intercept of the graph of y equals to ps is 4. So find the ps simplifying your coefficients. Okay, so as we know, the c we can confirm is equals to 4. Okay, now we can write for this way 2x minus 1 x plus n x minus n. Okay, now we expand, then we doing the compare coefficients. Okay, after we expand for this forms, right? Okay, now we doing compare for this. Okay, now we look for the a equals to negative 1. Okay, and then we look c. Okay, c is equals to false, right? So n squared equals to 4. So we can get n equals to, actually I just take positive lah. It's like easy way. So n equals to 2. And then one more, we need to find the value for b. Okay, b equals to negative 2n squared. So negative 2, n is 2 squared. We get negative 8 here. So I write it again. 2x cubed minus x squared minus 8x plus 4. Okay, now we look at the question 5. Okay, question 5 is saying solving the point A and B are 4, 3, and 12 minus 7 respectively. So find the equation of the line L, the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Okay, so now we need to do is find the midpoint AB. So we take 4 plus 12 over 2, 3 minus 7 over 2. So here we get 4 plus 12 is 16, 16, 8. Okay, minus 4, negative 2. Okay, this is our midpoint for the AB. Okay, after that, we need to find the gradient. Negative 7 minus 3, and then that 12 minus 4. Okay, we get negative 10 over 8. Negative 5 over 4. But he already say find the perpendicular bisectors, right? So we need using this m1, m2 equals to negative 1. So we find m2 equals to 4 over 5. Okay. Okay. After that, we already got this information, right? We can write y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus negative 2, m is 4 over 5, x minus 8. Okay, so we can write y equals to 4 over 5x minus 32 over 5 minus 2. So we can get y equals to 4 over 5x negative 42 over 5. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, the line parallel to the AB which pass the point 5, 12 intersect the line L at the point C. Find the coordinate of the C. Okay, now we just do right now. Okay, this is our line AB's right. Okay, we got here is this is a perpendicular bisector for the line AB. Okay, now here the question is mentioned you to say got one is a line is parallel here and got intersect at point C. And then this, you see, I draw the red line. It will passing the one point is 5, 12. Okay, so we need to find the equation for this red line, and we doing as a linear simultaneous equations. Okay. Okay, now, okay, y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus 12 equals to, okay, not take 4 over 5. You need to take negative 5 over 4 here. Okay, x minus 5. Okay, I just multiply right now. Okay, we already got these equations right. So we take negative 5 over 4x plus 73 over 4 equals to 4 over 5x minus, I guess minus, okay, so we get x coordinate is 13. Okay, and then we're using this information to put in these equations. Okay, equals to 2. So our coordinate of the C is 13, 2. Okay, now we look at the question 6 right now. Okay, question 6a is asked, find the equation of the tangent to the curve 2y equals to tangent to x plus 7 at the point where x equals to 1 over 8 pi. Giving your answer in the form ax minus y equals to 1 over b pi plus c, okay, where a, b, and c are tangents. Okay, I write these questions right now. Okay, now we need to do is, first derivative, we need to find the dy dx first. Okay, 1 over 2, 2 sec square 2x here. Okay, 7 or 2 is equals to 0 lah. Okay, eliminated. We get sec square 2x. Okay, when x equals to 1 over 8 pi here, so we can find the y coordinate first. 1 over 2 tangent 2 bracket 1 over 8 pi plus 7 over 2. So 1 over 2, okay, because here we got 1 over 4 pi, it means equals to 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees we get 1, 4. Okay, now we find this dy dx. Okay, 1 over cos 2 x. Okay, we get the answer is equals to 2. Okay, now we need to using the y minus y1. Wait a minute. Okay, y equals to y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So we take y minus 4 equals to 2 bracket x minus 1 over 8 pi. Okay, and then now we just multiply. Y minus 4 equals to 2x minus 1 over 4 pi. And then we get um, 1 over 4 pi minus 4 equals to 2x minus 1. And then I write correct forms. Okay. Okay, now we look at the next part. Okay, this tangent will intersect at the x axis at the P and y axis at the Q. Okay, find the length of the PQ. So we write, okay, if we want to find the point P and point Q. Okay, because we say P is x-axis, right? Or we also can say x-intercept. It means the y will equals to 0. Okay, and then I calculate it in decimal places form. Negative 1.607. Okay, and then one more, 2, 0. Because it say this question is say uh in the y-axis, so it means you need to find the y-intercept lah. Okay, minus y equals to 1 over 4 pi minus 4. So y equals to, it just reverse 4 minus 1 over 4 pi. Three 3.215. Okay, and then we find the length of PQ equals to negative 1.60 plus 0 square plus 0 plus 3.21 square. Okay, we get the answer is 3.6 unit. Okay, now we look at the question 7. Okay, question 7 is asked about integrations. Okay. Okay, now we look at the question 8. Okay, 4, 0, 10, 5x plus 2 dx. Okay, we can separate it. Okay, 2, 4, 0, here is 5, 5x plus 2 dx. So we get 2 ln 5x plus 2, 4, 0. So 2 here, we get ln 5, 4 plus 2 minus ln 5, 0 plus 2 here. And then we can get ln 22 minus ln 2. And then we will get 2 ln 11. Why is ln 11? Because we follow this concept. Log x minus log y equals to log x over y. Okay, we follow this law of logarithms. Okay, so you can take this time to revision back for the about law of logarithms. Okay, now we look at the question B. Okay, integrate ln 2 here, upper limit lower. Okay, so e 4x plus 2 dx. Okay, so what we need to do right now for this part, we need to expand. Okay. Integrate ln to 0. So we get e. Here we get 8x plus 4. Okay, this is follow the law of index. Okay, I hope guys you can understand it. Okay, just take it as a division part. Okay, so integrate ln to 0. Okay, here I put 1 over 8 ln to 0 8 e ax plus 4 dx. Okay, will equals to 1 over 8 e ax plus 4 ln to 0. So we write what as 1 by 1 e 8 ln 2 plus 4 minus e 0 plus 4. Okay, now we can write in this way. Okay, e ln, okay, 2 8, we separate it, e4 minus e4 here. Because this question already mentioned, you need to giving in exact values. So okay, 1 over 8. Here we got 256 e4 minus e4 here. So we get 255 8 e4. Okay, now we look at the next question. Question 8 is asked about trigonometry. Okay, solving the trigonometric questions. Okay, solve that 3 cos square minus 14 cosec minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, for 0, between 0 and 360 degrees. Okay. Okay, so what is our first part? Okay, the first part is you need to using the uh, trigonometry identities. Okay, let me take. Okay, 4 square, okay, plus 1, okay, equals to cosec. Okay, so we just take this 3 bracket cosec minus 1 cosec square. Okay, now I expand right now. Okay, so you see this equation is like hidden quantities, but we can do factorize for these equations. Three cosec plus 1 cosec minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, this is very important and you need to do this way. Okay, now we do the next part. Okay, cosec equals to negative 1 over 3. And then one more is cosec equals to 5. So this we will get sine equals to negative 3. And this sine equals to 1 over 5. But this we just ignore. Why? As we know, the range for the sine, it will just happen at 1 and -1 only. It will the exact for out of this range. Okay, so we just ignore it. Okay, now we need to find the reference angle. Okay, 11.53. Okay, because you giving the answers should be in degrees form lah. So okay, because the sign is positive, right? Sign positive, we can find the angles in first quadrant and second quadrant. So we write this first quadrant and then second quadrant. Okay, so this is our answers here. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, this is the proving from trigonometry equations. Okay, I write left hand side. Okay, equals to sine 4y minus cos 4y over cot y. Okay, now we can do is this way. Why it will become like this? Because as we know, b square minus a square we can make this way. Okay, I hope guys can understand. And then for this cot, you can become as uh, maybe tangent. Wait a minute. Okay, you can write tangent. Because 1 over cot, okay, it means 1 over 1 tangents, right? You can goes to tangents. Okay, now and then you see for this is equals to 1. Okay, you need to remember or recall because sine square plus cos square is equals to 1. So you will get tangents y sine square minus cos square. Okay, after that you need to expand again. Wait a minute. Okay, now I do is tangents y bracket 1 minus cos square. Yeah, okay, so I get tangents 1 minus 2 cos square. Because y you can see here is 2. You need to make sure that it can be expanded in 2's. Okay, now I multiply, we get tangents, right? Okay, now it's 2 tangents. Okay, you need to separate. Then sine, cos. Okay, here is cos square. Okay, you will get tangents minus 2 sine cos. Okay, so these are our questions. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, solve the equation. Okay, 9 power 5x over 27 power x minus 7 equals to 243. Okay, we can using the base of the 3. Okay, 3, 2, 5x over 3 power 3 here is right. X minus 2, 3 power 5. Okay, now we get 3 power 10x over 3x minus 6 equals to 3, 5. 3 10x minus 3x plus 6 equals to 3, 5. Okay, 7x plus 6 equals to 5. 7x equals to -1. So x we get is -1 over 7. Okay, now we look at the next question, question B. Okay, giving you this statement. Okay, solve the equation for the B, giving your answer in terms of the A. Okay, for this, the step is quite so long, so I hope you can see as carefully, not carefully, okay, you can see as slowly. Okay, so I write B, okay, 1 over 2 minus log B A equals to 1 over 2. Okay, now we need to change the base. Okay, you can change either one, you can take as B as base, or you want also A become as the base. Okay, just either for you lah. So log AB 1 over 2 minus, okay, I change for this part, log A over log B. So I take A. Okay, here I got 1 over 2 log AB minus 1 log AB equals to 1 over 2. Okay, now I need to multiply. Okay, I got log AB squared minus 1 equals to log AB. And then I don't want to see the 2 at the denominator, so I need to multiply. Okay, here I got 2. Okay, and then log AB minus log AB minus 2 equals to 0. And then we can do is factorization, log AB, then log AB, and then 2, and then 1. This here minus, and then positive. So log AB plus 1, and then log AB minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, we get B equals to 1 over A. Okay, and then we see one more, log AB equals to 2. So B equals to A out of the 2. Okay, it's not easy and also not difficult lah. Okay, now we look at the question 10. Okay, question 10a asks the first 5 terms of this sequence are given below. 4, -2, 1, -0.5, 0.25. Okay, find the 20 terms of the sequence. Okay, so how to find it? Okay, now we need to know is what is this sequence? Is arithmetic sequence or geometry sequence? Okay, now we can see, because first is positive terms, right? After that, you can next see a next term is negative. Negative, positive, and negative, and then positive, right? Actually, it's not arithmetic sequence. It's look like as geometry sequence. So as we can know, this is a geometry sequence. Okay, so we can take A equals to 4, R equals to -2 over 4. So it is -1 over 2. Okay, now is U 20 equals to A. A is false, right? So -1 over 2, this here is 19. Okay, okay, this value is quite small. Okay, so you will get -1 over 131,000, okay, 72, okay, at the denominator. Okay, and then now you see the part 2, explain why the sum to infinity exists for this sequence, and then find the value of this sum. Okay, as we know, it will happen for the infinite geometry projections. Okay, the range will be happen at this way. Because you can see the R equals to negative 1 or 2. It means it's in this range lah, okay? Okay, you need to write long expenses. Okay, and then we find the sum to the infinity. Okay, A is 4, so 1 minus 1 over 2, we get 8 over 3. Okay, now we look at the question B right now. Okay, the 10 terms of the elementary projection is 15 times the second terms. The sum of the first 6 terms is of the projection is 87. Okay, now we can write the equations now. Okay, u10 equals to 15 times u second terms. Okay, and then first 6 equals to 87. Okay, now you need to find its common difference of these projections. Okay, we can write the formulas first. Okay, a plus 9d. Okay, what is 9d? Because 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, and then 15 a plus d. Okay, we can do linear equations. 15a plus 15d, a plus 9d. Okay, if 0. Okay, we get here is 14a plus 6d. Okay, 14a plus 6d equals to 0. Okay, now we look at the second part. 6 over 2, 2a plus 6 minus 1 is 5d equals to 87. So then 2a plus 5d equals to 87 divided by 3, we get 29. Okay, now you see it's two equations, right? Okay, I just want to take this. Okay, 14a equals to negative 60. So a equals to 6 over 14, negative 3 over 70. Okay, and then I let this first equation, this is second equation. So first put in this second equation, I take 2 negative 3 over 7 plus 5d. I forgot write d plus 5d equals to 29. Okay, 29 over 7d equals to 29. So d equals to 7. Okay. Okay, now we look at the part 2. Okay, for these projections, okay, n term is 6,990. So find the value of the n. Okay, now we already get a equals to negative 3, first term, and then common difference is 7. We can using these equations, a plus n minus 1 d. So u, okay, we don't know, but it's 6,990. Okay, a is negative 3 plus n minus 1, d is 7 equals to this. Okay, negative 3 plus 7 n minus 7 equals to 6. This, okay, 7 n equals to 7,000. Oh, very easy lah. N minus 7,000 minus 7 is equals to 1,000. Okay, now we look at the last question. Okay, last question is about circular measures. Okay, the circle with the center C1 and C2 have equals radius of the length of the arc. Okay, it means C1, this circle also R, and here also RC. Okay, the line C1 and C2 is a radius of the both circle. It means here is same. Okay, RCM. And then two circles are intersect at the A and B. Okay. Given that the perimeter of the shattered region is 4 pi cm, so find the value of the R. Okay. Uh, Wait a minute. I think I can explain as well. Okay. The question also say C1, the radius also RCM, right? And then here also RCM. But the lines for between C1 and C2 also RCM. Okay, so you can see this triangle is like equilaters triangle, or all the length is similar. Okay, give you as no. Okay, here is 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees, we can take 1/3, 1/3 pi here. Because it say perimeter of a shadow is 4 pi squared. Okay, we can take 2/3 pi r plus 2/3 pi r equals to 4 pi. Okay, so I cancel for this pi. 4/3 r equals to 4. So r equals to 3 cm. Okay. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, find the exact length, exact area of the sector regions. Okay, we can find the uh, area of the segment, because of it, we can know this segment and then this segment are same. Okay, so now I write here area of segment C1 equals to area of segment C2. Okay, so we just find the one segment and then we just multiply. Okay, multiply for 2 times. Okay, now we need to find these all the sectors. Okay, and then minus for this triangle. Okay, multiply 2 times. Okay. Okay, first we take 1/2 multiply r equals to 3 square times 2/3 pi. Okay, and then minus 1/2. Okay, multiply 3 sine 120, and then we solve as 1 by 1. Okay, 3 pi minus, okay, 3/4. So we just multiply for 2, we get 6 pi minus 9/3/2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, I hope all the guys can understand for what I discussed for this video today. And last, I hope everyone to see my video. Please subscribe my videos and like and share. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.